Hello everyone, this is Lal Singh. I am from Jammu and Kashmir district Ramban. I am in front of you to speak something about National Sports Day. India celebrates National Sports Day every year on 29th August. This day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. 29th August happened to be a birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand, who made India proud by his sporting skills. For almost 4 decades, the day marked as a National Sports Day in India as a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was a phenomenal hockey player. He acknowledged as the greatest hockey player of all the times. He had won the 3 Olympics gold medal for India in 1928, 1932, 1936. Major Dhyan Chand was undoubtedly one of the major sportsmen to popularize the sports. In his international career as a sportsman, he scored more than 400 goals. In 1936 Olympic, Major Dhyan Chand made a grand presentation of his skill as a sportsman. It is said that Adolf Hitler was so impressed with the Major Dhyan Chand's play that he offered Major Dhyan Chand with a German citizenship and colonel post in German army. In 2002, National Hockey Stadium was renamed as a Major Dhyan Chand National Hockey Stadium. In 1956, Indian government awarded him with Padma Bhushan and Indian Postal Service in his remembrance. National Sports Day is particularly celebrated in academic institutions and sport academies all over India. It is celebrated all over India by organizing different types of sports like marathon, hockey, football, volleyball, etc. Indian National Sports Day is celebrated in many educational institutes and sports academy. To boost sports scenario in the country, a lot of sports and events conducted. Some events are organized to appreciate the many sports person, given the awards and recognition. The theme of the National Sports Day in 2019 is Fit India, Young India. The theme describes the importance of the sports, physical activity, creating active communities and active schools and active families to build a fit, healthy and youthful India. On this day, President of India bestowed prestigious awards such as Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award and Dhyan Chand Award to the sports person who have contributed to the growth of sports all through their sports career and also after retirement. A lot of schools throughout the country celebrate this day as the annual sports day. All work and no play Jack a dull boy. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Sound mind and a sound body. Work and play have to go hand in hand. Sports and game are much necessary as food and drinks. No doubt sports and games make us healthy, strong, cheerful, disciplined, but we should not play them in excess. Too much of everything is bad. Due to this pandemic COVID-19, we all are locked at home from last 5 months. Due to this pandemic, we all are facing many health related problems due to lack of exercise. Last year we celebrated the sports day in the ground, but due to COVID-19 we cannot go to ground this year. We celebrate the National Sports Day virtually. This year students cannot participate in the National Sports Day celebration. I hope next year we celebrate the National Sports Day in ground with a great pomp and show. I am taking privilege and extending my heartfelt gratitude to the real hero, all the corona warriors who are fighting day and night with the COVID-19. We are safe and credit goes to frontline warrior. Last but not least, let's salute our doctor, health worker, teachers, policemen, etc. who are fighting with the COVID-19 enemy. I hope we shall overcome this crisis together. So it's our duty to protect ourselves from COVID-19. So let's use mask, maintain social distancing, be safe, stay safe, save country, save our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.